Welcome back to Clash of the Crafters. Today, it's gonna be an excellent episode. I have two crafters to see who's the good egg and who is the bad egg and win the glory and the golden glue gun. With 60 minutes on the clock and advantage cards that could sabotage your opponent.
Push it open.
I'll join our expert judge to choose the winner of this crafting battle. Clash of the Crafters starts now.
So today we are going to have you guys recreate these twine wrapped and gold and silver foiled eggs. And so we can use our eggs year after year, we're going to have you hollow them out by blowing the egg out.
Let's do it.
All right, guys, let's see it.
Okay, how to blow out eggs.
Laura is going at it right. She looks like she's maybe got an advantage here.
Oh man, I got it in. There's no way I can blow it.
And then you'll see that Laura is using the skewer to widen the hole.
If I was Jesse, I would definitely cheat by watching her do what she's doing.
I'm afraid to do this in front of people, but oh well.
Good thing it's just gonna be on the internet.
Yeah.
Oh, good, I can't wait.
Oh, nice work.
Wow.
Oh God, it's so. Dude, I'm gonna pass on that.
You got this.
Oh, Jesse.
Jesse, wow.
Maybe it's twins.
Really? It might be good. It might be more to have to cut with the string. Laura got a little,
I'm all lightheaded now.
egg. Oh, now Jesse has figured out the skewer. Use the
doing
skewer to make your hole bigger.
So I'm a genius.
So this is an interesting technique that Laura is employing. She's pre-poking all the holes.
Economy of
What-
motion. I learned
what's
it
the-
being a line cook, right?
You're not picking up, putting down your tools all the time?
Exactly.
Okay. All right, I'm into that. I like logic. I'll take it. 2 points to you.
I didn't know
Jesse?
you were so educated in this.
Oh, well, what can I say?
Wow.
This isn't my first
Jesse,
time with an
trying
egg.
to suck up. Minus 2 points for you.
Aw, come on.
Oh, eggs you get.
I ain't sucking, I'm blowing.
Oh,
Wow.
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 Go suck an egg, Jesse.
Wow.
Man, we're getting kind of full. Is this gonna hold all the eggs?
I don't want to stall your momentum here, but we did say you only have to blow one egg.
Oh, following instructions is a B.
And we actually didn't say you have to use real eggs. If you look behind you, you might find some
Oh, gotta read those instructions. Snap.
eggs.
Oh.
I don't think that was
The
in the direction.
instructions.
My jaw's already tired.
And no, I've already committed. I've got all these holy eggs.
I gotta get one more.
Yeah, I mean.
I love it.
Yeah.
You have the option to go with the fake eggs, still sticking
Addiction.
with the real eggs.
You guys.
This is perseverance.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a motivational poster.
Swapping mine out.
You're smart to do that, I think. I don't want to do it anymore. You're gonna blow it out, it's covered in spit.
I got you.
All right.
Bye, little friend.
Oh,
Illuminating.
Oh, gross.
Just so that we know what they're having to deal with.
Oh, and it's got spit on it?
There we go. Now something's happening.
I think these are the first
see what we
competitors
got.
that have not cheated
Yeah.
within the first 5
Definitely.
minutes.
Okay.
You're definitely going to burn yourself.
Let's try this out.
You know, maybe you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket here, guys. Okay,
All
doctor.
right.
And see.
I don't really like texture on my hands.
Oh,
Fun fact.
that's going to be a problem for you.
So, let's do it right here.
So, Jesse, how do you feel so far? What's your strategy in this?
Well, I'm gonna take the tacky glue, smear it into my little egg carton here, maybe even use some of this as a base, and maybe that will help, help the glue
Wow.
spread around a little bit better, and maybe just take advantage of all the materials I have.
Wow.
And I'm gonna use my gloves so that I don't get the foil on my hands.
Wow,
Using the
I like
raw
it.
egg is
that's pretty adventurous.
very unique.
Yeah. Well, certainly the gloves are even an interesting choice. I like where you're going. Go for it. Laura,
Yeah.
you look like you're just really going for it. What's happening?
I'm getting this. I mean, I heard that we're supposed to get these eggs to be kind of sticky. I'm not afraid.
Be very afraid.
I'm a little afraid.
Yeah. Jesse's taking a very sterile approach to
I like
crafting.
the gloves.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
a good look. It's
A little beanie.
A little Brooklyn egg.
Yeah,
Is it
point.
right?
That's where I live.
Ooh,
Hips-
25 points to Laura.
Wow. Wow.
25.
Yeah, that's right. Represent.
Oh, BK.
Jesse, how are you feeling about your gold leaf situation over here?
Still trying to figure out how I'm gonna get that onto here.
He's going for it.
One glove off.
And the gloves are off,
The
Laura.
egg looks
I
like
liked them
orange
better
juice.
when they
It's
were on.
disgusting.
I'll wear them for later.
I can share them with you. I need to read the instructions better.
I can't believe we
just
blew
so
out so many eggs. I feel took.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
Like
now
Ricky
Jesse's is
Tikki
completely foiled. It's not one of the patterns,
Right.
which we, you know.
But that's okay. I give Flair, you know, he's as long as that was a choice, Jesse. Okay.
I'd really like to see Jesse tackle one of these twine eggs.
I think I'm ready.
Twist it up, dog.
He doesn't have a choice.
And Jesse, did you just put the end of the twine in the hole at the top of the egg?
I did.
Okay.
Really falling apart here at the end.
It is kind of tricky to finish them off at the end.
I like Jesse's ability to use his tongue while he's doing this. Almost as much work as his fingers.
Yeah, his tongue's really doing the heavy lifting.
Look at this. I've got the gold foil attached into my skin.
Yeah, I know. It's crafting. That's what crafting
Can I have
is.
my gloves?
Don't. What's wrong? It's just glue and glitter. All right. We'll just. Laura,
Hi.
how's it going?
Well, I'm getting eggy over here.
Hey, nice.
I've read the instructions.
Uh-huh.
I'm really into reading the instructions. And it says we have to apply this sticky bits to this egg and let it get tacky before you put on the goldness.
Yes.
Before you bling it out.
Correct.
So I'm going.
You want it to be dry, otherwise it sticks to the wrong thing.
Right.
Like Jesse's fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah, that gold leaf is no joke.
It is no joke. I wonder if I have to.
Would you say no
Make
yoke?
it buddy.
That is
Yeah.
no yoke.
Yeah.
Well,
You can always just switch to a different color.
Wow. I'm gonna say that looks. Did Marianne come over here and help you?
No.
you know,
I did not touch it.
Really?
I just gave him a little tip.
Wow, that looks really good. Whoa, you're going vertical with the stripes.
I am.
Whoa.
You're gonna
I'm
get
trying.
points for that. Laura, pick a number between 1 and 10.
6.
Jesse,
I'm gonna go ahead and say 7.
guess what the number was? 9. So you get to reveal your challenge card.
Come on.
You can read it for us. Nobody else
Still
can see it.
one of your competitors' finished or in progress eggs.
So rude.
Oh, bummer.
I only have one that's done.
Darn it!
You're gonna take the finished one?
It looks so good.
All right.
But let me tell you, it will look even better in my little basket.
Oh,
I'm not
That's really
you can
that's
copy
really a
it.
big blow for
That
Laura.
is a. Now check this. Her pace just way increased. I mean, I
Yep.
guess then if you would like to reveal your challenge card, you may. Reveal your.
Oh, I'm pleased with this. My competitor must use the tiny hand
Oh!
for 5 minutes.
Oh, that time is going to start now. Great news, though. It's only 5 minutes.
That's true, and it keeps my hands not from being so sticky.
Oh.
5 minutes on the clock, please. This egg. And I think it's gonna dry while he's got. Hey
I
Jesse,
hate it.
do you
Yes.
also hate getting things on your tiny hands?
That's true.
Are you feeling a little scrambled?
Oh, I'm cracking under the pressure right now.
Oh, what's the matter, Jesse? Chicken? Okay, guys.
This is like watching a train wreck.
Oh no! My egg.
Oh dear.
10-second rule.
That doesn't.
Is that egg?
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the hands, you can take them off.
How much time do we have left?
Yeah.
You
can
have
we go-
15 minutes. You know, time flies when you're having fun.
That's it.
That is true.
Is this fun?
It was a little
That was a bit extra.
Ooh.
Oh,
That hurt?
it did cut down.
I'm sorry, babe.
Again,
back.
Back
what
to
is
the
your obsession with the gloves? How is that helping anything?
He doesn't like getting the glue on his hand.
Minus 10 points. Because it's, I don't know why, but I just.
Just
I don't-
because.
Because. Okay, wait, no, you're gonna use it as a tool. Never mind, I take it back.
Oh, to like.
They're a little bit
white-
textured.
To like
They've got-
burnish it.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
However,
Oh, the tissue paper.
Tissue stuck to.
There's yolk in my box here.
Her gold leaf looks fantastic.
Yeah, it
that's
looks really beautiful.
That's the way that I know to gold leaf.
Yeah.
Jesse
Sort
has
of like that.
gone rogue with a Sharpie.
What?
Do you think Jesse possibly just put one of the demonstration eggs in his cart?
I'm going to try to revive this egg.
You're gonna bring an egg back to life.
Guys,
Guys, 5 minutes to go.
Oh man, this is a categorically bad egg that I've made here. This is
that
not a
true?
good one. What?
Oh,
How can I
nice.
make it better?
Yes, Laura, points for going for the marker.
You guys
Okay.
are really down to the wire here.
Here we go.
Gold leaf is flying. You guys are gonna find gold leaf in places.
This egg looks not
Reborn.
bad. That's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, you were down to 30 seconds. I'm gonna come out there to make you even more nervous.
Oh yeah, me too.
Come on, Marianne.
no.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Wow. Okay, she's going for it. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Nice. Oh no! The officials have given you the time's up, guys. While Marianne's washing her hands. How do you feel?
It's sticky.
How do you feel?
Sticky as well.
Nice. And Marianne, how do you feel?
I feel shiny.
All right,
Festive.
we're gonna give you, I don't know, a couple of minutes to clean up. Then I'm gonna come back out here and we're gonna talk it through and get to judging. Laura, Jesse, how do you feel?
Just a
Less
reminder,
sticky?
this is what we were going for. And let's see
See what
how
you're
you
doing.
guys.
Laura, explain to me your process.
So my process was to not have my egg stolen, but I did learn from the egg that was stolen.
I like your color palette.
Yep.
Yeah, and
Really nice.
I got a little avant. Oh, he's sticking. We did the twine plus the gilding.
I like that.
Mixed media. I like that you have all 6 eggs, and you did fulfill your challenge to use some of the real eggs. So
Okay.
gross.
Jesse, what you got?
Well, I've got a few eggs in here. Yeah.
Okay.
Who's this
Hey,
little
why
guy?
not?
Who's that?
Why not?
Why
Yeah.
not?
You were running low on eggs. I like your creativity.
Yeah.
Why does he have black eyes?
I'm a
not?
little tired today myself, so I thought, I was giving him a little bit of dark circles under the eyes
like
and
a-
everything, but
Like an egg self-portrait?
yeah, but he's still smiling. He's always smiling.
That's nice. That is you.
Oh, well, thank you.
Even though you do have 2 gold-leafed eggs, I have to take off some points because they don't have any kind of pattern. Commend you for using the materials and salvaging this egg because it looked pretty rough. Okay, all right, Jason, should we go confer?
Yes,
and pick a
we
winner?
should. So
We
you
got
guys
some-
wait here awkwardly. We'll be
We
back.
got some real talking to do.
I wish I'd done more twining.
Okay, Jesse, Laura, we've made our choice.
Are you ready? I feel like we need like a drum roll or
Yeah,
something.
you feel that? Nice. Okay, Laura, congratulations. You win.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
you're welcome.
you. Thank you. I couldn't have done it without
Us.
you. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
us.
You guys.
It just all went downhill after I stole her egg. I started feeling bad. I started cracking under that pressure, and it came back to bite me in the end.
Feels good. I was a little scared, I thought Jesse had me. He was coming up from behind with that twine twisting, so perfect, so tight. What can I say? I have a way with the bling.
Like
man.
I would like to shake your hand as well.
but just a,
Here we go.
It's good.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for joining us this time on Clash of the Crafters. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked it and let us know who you think should have won. And I guess, see you next time.
bye.